So what's up guys, it's your boy the Kikuyu Gamer guys. So today I wanted to show you how to make a YouTube channel art. I also want to show you guys how to make a YouTube thumbnail, how you can make a YouTube channel intro and outro guys. This is a simple method guys that I use, like this doesn't require any software guys. It's just an website that runs on any browser guys. Like this website has all the tools that are consistent in software. And one thing I love about this website is called like of it's time saving, it's fast guys. So this is the website that I use to edit my YouTube videos. If I have checked my YouTube videos guys, you can see how the editing looks. You can also look at my channel art, how I've decorated my channel guys. I think it's also looks good. So like for the people who might want to learn about this, now this is the tutorial guys you need to watch. Or let me guide you guys how you can make a very beautiful and amazing YouTube channel art in just a few minutes. Like doesn't even cost you much time guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and also make sure to press that bell button so that you can be notified every time I post a new video guys. So what you basically do, you open any browser, whether it's Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Opera Mini, any browser works. So for me, like I use the Chrome, and the website is canva.com. Let me show you guys. Okay, so the website you should look for is Canva. No, canva.com. No, .com. Mm-hmm. So here is the website, guys. Let's see how it looks. And guys, one thing I wanted to remind you, like using this software, it's 100% free, free of charge. But maybe you can, if you want to upgrade, like if you like you want to use the premium stuffs, you can upgrade. You can buy the subscription. But for me, I use the free features because like they do the job very well. So like I won't like don't mind this one. So let's go to the main content, the main subject of the video. Now you can see guys, this website, it's amazing. Like it has a lot of designs, has a lot of templates you can use. You can also create like from scratch guys. Like these are the things that I've done using it. Just look at this, looks amazing. Look at this one. It looks, yeah, but it looks good. Like I just made it using this app, and other many things I've done using this. So today what we'll do, we make a YouTube channel. So what you basically do, go right here to the search. Make sure you search YouTube. You see like YouTube channel art will be displayed in the page. Now this is the option we want. Now this, and guys, you can also make other things like maybe for Facebook, for Instagram, all things that are like social media related. Like you find them in this website guys. It's like a full software guys. So one of the reasons that I do love using this website is because like for me editing is in softwares, maybe like Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, the other ones, Power Director. Like I think I find them so time consuming. Then like before you learn how to use them, it takes time. But here, like guys, let me show you. It's so easy. So like if you are maybe an advanced person, you know how to make one. you can create a blank YouTube channel at this for the one who want to make from scratch. And maybe guys, if you don't want to make from scratch, you don't have that much knowledge, you can use one of these templates. These templates are 100% free. mm, Let me see the one I can use. This one is for pro, but like this one is for free. I think this one looks good. Okay, let's see how it looks. So what you just do, like you just modify, put in your details, put in your names. Or let me minimize this. Let me, oh no, not that one, sorry. Let me put this one right here. Okay. Now here it's our YouTube channel that we want to modify our details. So I'm going to use maybe the details for my YouTube channel. Maybe here's the name of your channel, the things you do maybe. So mine is, I think you just click there and edit. Let me backspace. So I've deleted it. Maybe I can write my name, Kikuyu Gamer. No, but I don't want it to look that way. So okay, so I want it to look that way. So I've minimized the size. So you can use the size you want, but for me, like I think I just love this one being. I love it, like I love it looking this way. It looks good. I think maybe gameplays, live streams, and more. I don't think like for me, because I do gaming stuffs. I don't really think I should change this, because like yeah, I do gameplays, I do live stream and more. I think that looks good. Is there something else we can add? Maybe I can say like I'll be going live every weekend. So if you want to add text, just go to text. Maybe add a heading. Add a heading. Put it down there. Backspace. Like I'm deleting it. I want to write new gaming video every weekend. Now that's it. Let me minimize the size. I want it to fit. I don't know why it's bold, but it's okay. Let me see. No, it still doesn't look the way I want. I think I should minimize it a little bit, like that. Guys, maybe we can add some stuffs like let's change the font. So the font is right here. I think there's as you can see, like there are a lot of fonts you can use. I don't know what's my favorite yet, but let me see which one looks good. I think that one looks good. I think that one looks good. Maybe I can add maybe a photo of me, like my profile picture. So if you want to add a pic, just go here to upload. I think I've already added some photos right here. Let me see which one I'm going to use. I think I should use this one. But I want it to be now. Okay, I'm going to use this photo right here. I first of all place it, and but I want it to, I want to, like I want it to be in a circular way, like in a circle. Let me show you guys what I'm saying. So maybe let me look for element shapes. You can look for, I want this thing to be inside this image to be inside this circle. Let me see if it's possible. No, it's not possible. Come on. Okay, you can right right click and maybe send backward, send backward the circle so that the image can come in front. Yeah. Now the image is in front, but still it doesn't look good. Mm, I don't know if I should have used that one. I first of all remove, delete it, and see if there's something else I can use. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, guys, like, I think the one that we can use right here is this one, the frames. So you drag it right here. Okay, we just drag that. Cause like I want us to put that image inside this frame. And then there was this red circle. Like I want it to surround this frame. And first of all, put the image right here. Yeah. hmm Mm. Then I want like this image to be surrounded maybe by a red thing. Okay, let me see. Send to back. Mm. Come on. What am I doing? What am I doing? That don't look good. But like guys, it's something like that. I was just trying to see if like it can fit. But no, it doesn't look that good. But I think like this circle thing. Mm, no, 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 no. I think it's, I think it looks good this way. Let me download and see the results. So guys, like I was like just like showing you an example of what you can do. So like if you take your time, maybe if you have an idea, like you can make a very good channel at. As you see, like me, I was just trying to show you just randomly like how how you can do this, but for it guys, you can really make like very beautiful stuffs looking using this thing. I don't wanna go there. You should never go there. Let's see how it looks. Let's see the results. Mm, mm. Damn, like you see, guys, it looks a little, yeah, it's good by the way. Looks good for me. This is a result of what we have just made right now. How do you think this channel art look? I think it looks good by there, guys. So if you want to see more tutorials, more things that you never knew existed, guys, more simplest way for you to make very beautiful things like for decorating your social media things, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. You can also follow me on all social media platform. I'll leave my link down below. And it's done, guys. So maybe next time I'll show you how to make a YouTube channel intro, YouTube channel outro. So guys, oh, I didn't remember to show you how my YouTube channel looks. Let me show you my channel art. But that one I think I designed it from scratch. Mm, what's the name? Good game. So this is my YouTube channel. It's still growing, guys. As you can see, I think it looks good, but like the red color they have decorated it, have added these links. I think it looks good, guys. So next time, guys, I'll show you how to make maybe a YouTube channel just like this one. You can also see the about page. Looks a little bit good. I joined like I think some weeks ago. I've not like yet started putting it like real content. I'm just like testing things. So guys, make sure you do subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you can also share my channel, guys, so that I can get more followers. Thank you for watching this video. Peace.